give you small tips to follow post delivery because many of the mothers are really worried about to maintain their weight because post delivery they are putting on a lot of weight and some of them are going to obese, some of them are going to overweight. So very few small tips to follow post delivery. First and foremost thing is mentally, emotionally and physically being fit. How to do that? Simple. As you wake up, please do at least 5 to 10 minutes of yoga or a pranayam where you find a relaxation techniques like just breathe in and breathe out because most of the mothers will be really stressed up because they won't have a proper sleep and they might have sacrificed so many things post delivery about their career and all. So there is a very important fact to be followed, that is simple techniques of stress free relaxation like meditation and all. Secondly, hygiene is very important because post delivery most of the mothers may be prone to get some kind of UTI, then even small kind of infections will be very easily attached to them because they'll be very sensitive at this time like a baby. So mothers has to take care that they are very hygiene. So whatever the food is cooked also let it be a very fresh foods to be taken, and then keep the baby also very hygiene because the mother and baby both are to be very careful with different kinds of infections. Then third part, as most of the mothers may go to malnutrition because they will be not having proper food in time. So it is very important that a mother has to take care of her health with the good nutritious food. When the mother is having a good nutritious food, obviously the child will also be healthy. And mostly, most of the mothers will be anemic. And then the foods which you take must be very much rich in protein and then iron rich foods and then omega 3 fatty acids rich foods which will be giving you a good immune power. So you have to take some kind of nutritious foods like in a balanced diet, having a small frequent meals where you have to include spinach, then legumes, pulses and cabbage. These all are having a good iron content in them where it will help you to come out of this anemic conditions, and have some red meat also and organ meat like liver. So these kind of small foods are to be concernedly taken to the mothers because you will be sometimes anemic and malnutrition also may happen. So you have to take some good nutritious foods, and of course the dry foods has to be taken, a handful of dry foods where you can add pista also to that and the walnuts too. So these all are to be added in your diet. Then the fourth important point is feeding the baby. If a mother is not feeding the baby, then both are not safe. Because some mothers feel that if they are feeding the baby, their figure is been going to change and they are not able to maintain their figure correction properly. If you want a proper figure correction, definitely you have to feed the child. That is because the first 24 hours milk is having the colostrum. This colostrum is very rich in antioxidants, and then it is a powerful ingredient which is helping the baby to boost the immunity. So if the baby is not given with this proper feeding of mother's milk, then the baby won't be healthy and will be prone to many kind of infections. In fact, mother also in a long run may get some kind of diseases if the breastfeeding is not done properly. So it is a very important thing to be noticed that a mother is feeding the child at least for 1 year, because this is very good for the mother's health as well as the baby's health. And then finally, the most important tip to be followed, you have to do some small kind of relaxing techniques and then some kind of activity as well. I know because of the no proper sleep and there is no proper rest to the mother post delivery because there is a lot of responsibilities to be taken, but in fact you have to take care and then take at least half an hour of time for your activity, that is normal walk at least. I don't need of any brisk walk and all, normal walk of at least half an hour every day, and then have warm water every day, keep taking warm water sip by sip, and then take some kind of fat burners food in your diet which will help you for the calorie burning too. Yeah, of course if you are taking the calories more and the burning is not happening properly, calorie burning, the ratio of these two if it is imbalanced leading to the fat accumulation where it finally leads to make you overweight and finally obese. So as you are feeding the baby, you have to have a proper food and then quality and quantity of food which is helpful to the mother as well as the child. required nutrients to your body. Please take care of your health, have your food properly, take small frequent meals whenever you are hungry. Start taking something like salads or fruit or dry fruits. As I said, the dry fruits are very good in micronutrients, and then it helps you to give you instant energy too. So it's very important for you, but please don't starve yourself. If you're starving yourself, then definitely it is no way helping you for the weight loss, but in fact it helps to increase your weight. So it increases your fat too. That is very important, that you will not starve. And please take care of your health and your child's health. Keep yourself hygiene as well as keep yourself very nutritious and have a very healthy lifestyle to follow. And normally follow some activity as per your convenient time and all, where just lifting up your heads for some time when you're in a sleeping position, also lifting up your legs for some time, and then even a small walk, that is a half an hour of walk. This kind of small activities will help you not to accumulate the excess fat in the body. If at all no activity is done at all, then of course in a long run, due to long sitting positions and long sleeping positions, that may lead to overweight and obesity. So my dear friends and my dear mothers, please do take care of these small tips what I have given. And if you want any free diet consultation also, feel free to call me. Thank you all.